Here's a technique to write tons of niche articles by using a modular writing technique methodology that I developed myself, and it helped me a lot. I mean, these days, there's a lot of competition out there for articles and content. For example, let's say you want to write an article about how to find a job you like. At this writing, 561 million people have searched Google for this key phrase. Obviously, it's a hot topic. A lot of people want to know about it, but then competition would be so high if you write this article because everyone would be writing something similar to that. But how about if you create a niche topic inside that general topic? For example, something like how to find a job you like as an actor, how to find a job you like as a writer, or how to find a job you like as a cook. See, each of these subtopics is a niche on its own. So you can come up with dozens of niche versions on the same article and post them on the internet. So this real technique here is modularization, and let me explain by two examples what I mean. Let's imagine you're writing a job interview article, and somewhere in the article you mention the importance of dressing well. Now, if the article is written about the stockbrokers for the Wall Street niche, it would make sense to recommend them to dress dark gray or blue suits, a conservative white blouse for women and white dress shirt for men, a dark colored necktie for men, and perhaps a pearl necklace for women, etc. But however, if the article is about actors, then you make sure to stay away from stodgy three-piece suits. As long as they don't wear anything torn and smelly, it will be okay to be casual and comfortable for a writer. Khakis, corduroys, even jeans, perfectly acceptable. A freelance writer might select something in between, let's say a slack or skirt and dark colored sports jacket, a clean pressed blue or white short blouse. No perfume, but maybe with a simple necktie or pearl necklace. So the idea is we are still writing about how to dress up for an interview, but the modular details are adapted to the specific niche in question. That's what I mean by niche tuning your article. Second example, let's say you're writing an article on how to cook organically. Your article consists of the following three modules: ingredients, preparation, serving. You can easily generate a great number of ethnic niche cooking articles from these modules by fine-tuning the contents. For example, Mediterranean organic cooking, Chinese organic cooking, Jewish organic cooking, Cajun organic cooking, etc. For example, ingredients, replace them with those specific for Mediterranean, Chinese, Jewish, Russian, etc. cooking. Preparation, same thing. Replace the preparation instructions with Mediterranean, Chinese, Jewish, Russian, etc. recipes. Serving, likewise. Tune it up, niche tune it with whatever is appropriate for that specific niche. So what remains unchanged in the article are all those sections about why eat organic. That topic would be common to all niches, or nutritional values of fruits and vegetables, or what you should know about red meat, poultry, and fish, 10 cooking resources you should know, etc. So that way, by mixing up the niche-specific information with general, universal content, you can come up with a whole series of fine-tuned articles instead of just one. So try it out and see how it works. See you in the next video.